Hi guys, I finally got my Endoplast blood fracture. So let's unbox na guys. And then the monitor and the batteries. Okay, so sobrang portable. Okay, thank you guys. And this one. Then ito yung adapter. Pag wala ng battery, pwede kang mag-adapter. So, lagay na natin yung batteries. Okay. Then, try natin lagay yung cup. So, try natin mag-test. Tapos, yung natin here. Yeah. See? 110/76. So, ang aking pulse per minute is 82. So, pwede yung naka-memory. Okay, guys. So, tama lang yung higpit niya. Diba? Ang ganda. So, this is a mesh at home, especially for monitoring health regularly. So, check out the yellow basket.